We've all been there. The alarm clock screams, it's a new day, but your bed feels like a warm, cozy haven. Peeling yourself out from under the covers feels impossible. You hit snooze. Again. Why is waking up early so hard? We often blame ourselves. We think we lack discipline or willpower. But the truth is more complex. Our bodies crave routines. We are creatures of habit. When we don't get enough sleep, our bodies are thrown off balance. Don't beat yourself up for struggling to wake up. It's time to understand the science behind a good night's sleep and how it impacts your mornings. Let's talk about sleep. It's not just about the number of hours. The quality of your sleep matters too. Deep sleep is crucial for feeling refreshed. This is when your body repairs itself. It's also when your brain processes information. Poor sleep habits can disrupt this essential phase. Ever heard of your circadian rhythm? It's your internal clock. It regulates your sleep-wake cycle. When you wake up early, you're working with this rhythm, not against it. Late-night screen time can interfere with your sleep. The blue light emitted from your devices can disrupt melatonin production. Melatonin is a hormone that helps regulate sleep. By understanding these factors, you can start to make changes. Small adjustments to your daily routine can have a big impact on your sleep quality. High achievers often credit early mornings for their success. Why? Because the early hours offer a quiet space for focused work. Imagine this. The sun rises, the world is still asleep, you're already up sipping your coffee, your mind is clear, you have time to plan your day and tackle your most important tasks. This is the power of early mornings. Early risers report increased productivity. They often feel more in control of their day. This proactive approach can lead to less stress and greater fulfillment. Waking up early is not about punishing yourself. It's about giving yourself the gift of time to invest in yourself and your goals. Ready to unlock the secret to energized mornings? Imagine waking up every day feeling refreshed, vibrant, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. It's simpler than you think. You don't need expensive gadgets or complicated routines. Follow this 3-step formula to transform your mornings and ultimately, your entire day. Step 1. Master your night routine. The way you end your day sets the stage for how you start the next. Consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up around the same time each day, even on weekends. This consistency helps your body know when it's time to rest and when it's time to wake up. This helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Wind down an hour or two before bed. Take a warm bath, read a book, or engage in any calming activity that helps you relax. Or listen to calming music. These activities signal to your brain that it's time to slow down and prepare for sleep. Optimize your sleep environment. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. A comfortable sleep environment can significantly improve the quality of your sleep. Quiet and cool. Adjust the room temperature to your liking and eliminate any noise that might disturb your sleep. Invest in blackout curtains if needed. They can block out unwanted light and help you sleep more soundly. Step 2. Build a morning trigger. Having a consistent trigger can make waking up easier and more automatic. Place your alarm across the room. This forces you to get out of bed when it goes off. The act of physically getting up helps shake off the grogginess. Hydrate immediately. Keep a glass of water by your bed and drink it as soon as you wake up. Hydration kickstarts your metabolism and helps you feel more alert. Let the sunshine in. Open your blinds or curtains to signal to your body that it's time to wake up. Natural light helps regulate your internal clock. Step 3. Energize your mind and body. Starting your day with the right activities can set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Move your body. Engage in some form of physical activity. This could be a quick workout, yoga, or even just a brisk walk. Physical activity boosts your energy levels and improves your mood, or even just a brisk walk. The key is to get your blood flowing and your body moving. Fuel your body with a healthy breakfast. Opt for nutrient-rich foods that will provide sustained energy throughout the morning. A balanced breakfast can make a big difference in how you feel. Engage your mind. Read something inspiring, listen to a podcast, or engage in any activity that stimulates your mind, or meditate to set a positive tone for your day. Taking a few moments for mindfulness can help you start your day with clarity and focus. Section 5. Design your ideal morning routine. A sample routine to kickstart your day. No two morning routines are alike. The key is to find what works best for you and your schedule. Here's a sample routine to get you started. 6 a.m. Wake up, drink a glass of water, and open the blinds. 6:15 a.m. Go for a 30-minute walk or run. 6:45 a.m. Enjoy a healthy breakfast like overnight oats with berries and nuts. 7 a.m. Spend 20 minutes reading or listening to an audiobook. 7:20 a.m. Review your to-do list and plan your day. 7:30 a.m. Get ready for work or start your day. This is just a template. Feel free to adjust the times and activities to fit your preferences and lifestyle. Section 6. Fuel your body, ignite your mind. Energizing activities for a productive morning. Your morning routine should energize you, not drain you. Starting your day with the right activities can set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Here are some ideas for activities that will boost your mood and set you up for a productive day. Physical activity. Engaging in physical activities can help wake up your body and mind. Yoga or Pilates. These practices can help improve flexibility, strength, and balance. They also promote relaxation and mental clarity, making them perfect for starting your day. Body weight circuit. Get your heart rate up with a quick circuit of exercises like squats, push-ups, and lunges. This can be done in a short amount of time and requires no equipment. Dance party. Put on your favorite music and dance around your living room. It's a fun way to get moving and can instantly lift your spirits. Mental stimulation, meditation, or mindfulness. Take a few minutes to quiet your mind and focus on your breath. This can help reduce stress and increase your ability to concentrate throughout the day. Journaling. Write down your thoughts, feelings, and goals for the day. This practice can help you organize your thoughts and set clear intentions. Creative pursuits. Engage in a hobby that you enjoy, such as drawing, painting, or playing an instrument. Creative activities can stimulate your mind and provide a sense of accomplishment. Remember, the best morning routine is one that you'll stick to. Consistency is key to reaping the benefits of these activities. Choose activities that you genuinely enjoy and that fit seamlessly into your life. This will make it easier to maintain your routine and start each day on a positive note. Section 7. Staying consistent, conquering the motivation slump. Let's be real. There will be days when you don't feel like getting out of bed. Motivation comes and goes, but consistency is key. Here are some tips for staying on track. Start small. Don't try to overhaul your entire routine overnight. Make gradual changes over time. Find an accountability partner. Share your goals with a friend or family member. Having someone to check in with can make a big difference. Reward yourself. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Treat yourself to something you enjoy after a week of consistent early mornings. Don't be afraid to hit reset. If you fall off track, don't beat yourself up. Just start fresh the next day. Remember, progress, not perfection, is the goal. Focus on building a sustainable routine that you can maintain over the long haul. Section 8. The life-changing magic of mastering your mornings. When you master your mornings, you master your life. The way you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows. By taking control of your mornings, you can create a ripple effect that positively impacts your entire day. It's not just about waking up earlier. It's about making the most of those early hours, using them to set intentions, and prepare yourself mentally and physically for the day ahead. It's about reclaiming your time and designing a life you love. By dedicating your mornings to activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul, you can create a foundation for a more fulfilling life. Imagine feeling calm, energized, and in control every single day. This sense of empowerment can transform your outlook and help you tackle challenges with a positive mindset. You'll have more time for the things that matter most to you. Whether it's spending quality moments with loved ones, pursuing a hobby, or simply enjoying a peaceful breakfast, your mornings can become a cherished part of your day. You'll be more productive at work and more present in your relationships. The clarity and focus gained from a well-structured morning routine can enhance your performance and deepen your connections with others. The benefits of a consistent morning routine extend far beyond the morning hours. You'll experience a sense of balance and well-being that carries through the entire day. Reduce stress and anxiety. Starting your day with intention can help you feel calmer and more in control. Mindfulness practices like meditation and journaling can set a peaceful tone for the day. Improved physical health. Regular exercise and healthy eating habits can lead to weight loss, increased energy levels, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Morning workouts can jumpstart your metabolism and keep you energized. Greater self-awareness. Taking time for yourself each morning allows you to connect with your thoughts and feelings. This self-reflection can lead to personal growth and a deeper understanding of your goals and desires. Mastering your mornings is an investment in yourself. It's a way to prioritize your well-being and set yourself up for success. It's a commitment to living your best life, one intentional morning at a time. By embracing the magic of mornings, you can unlock your full potential and create a life filled with purpose and joy. Section 9. Your journey to energized mornings starts tonight. You don't have to wait for the perfect time to start. The best time is now. Tonight, set your alarm clock 15 minutes earlier than usual. Use that extra time to do something for yourself. Commit to making small, sustainable changes each day. Before you know it, you'll be waking up with energy and excitement for the day ahead. Remember, the power to transform your mornings and your life is in your hands. Start today.